are you doing?
Reading.
You're reading a book called I Could Pee on This.
It's cat poems.
Okay.
It's funny.
So, guess what?
It's like scratch my paws on your eyelids. Oh, you're up. Feed me.
Guess what?
What?
Do you know what challenge you're going to do?
24 hours, probably.
Yes, but guess with what?
With all my toys.
Say
24 hours.
Wait.
24 hours with all my toys and all my toys and my iPod and books.
1 out of 3. 24 hours, no toys, no electronics. I was thinking you could do this in your room, but I don't think I can get this out. So, you are going to go into the office.
Can I bring books?
You can bring a few things with you, but no toys and no electronics.
Okay.
All right, so pack up your stuff and come in the office, and we'll meet in the office when you're done, okay?
Okay.
I hear you calling for me. All right, so what do you have for your 24 hours?
I'll start with the food. I have yogurt. I have candy. And I have a drink. No water.
Well, that's sparkling water.
Still. And look there's nothing in it.
Nothing.
Just like water, right? I have this for tomorrow because, as you've seen in a lot of my videos, I love to wear these.
What are you hiding?
Nothing. I was just pulling my pants up.
Okay.
I have a pen.
Okay.
I have my notepad. My uniform notepad. I said my diary on it when I was little. And then I have this to read because I finished all of it, and then I wrote, "Thanks for reading and sharing." And then I have my book that I was reading. I Could Pee on This, other cat poems. I have a Harry Potter book, and this is a thick one. Smile. Look how thick it is.
All right, and since you've been in here for a little bit, I think I need to do a quick inspection.
Okay.
Are you hiding anything? Is there
Wait,
anything?
Mark.
Oh my God.
Look how little this is. I had this when I was a baby.
Carly,
What?
is there anything you need to come clean about before we start?
No.
Look at me. No?
Mm-mm.
I.
You can do an inspection though.
What are you reaching? What's behind your back?
Nothing.
Stand up. Stand up, let me see. What are you sitting on?
Nothing.
All right. All right, I don't see anything on the chair. All right, are you sure you're not hiding anything?
No.
All right, I'm gonna do an inspection, is that okay?
Okay.
You're a weird one. Let's check the closets. So far, so good. Carly?
I am precious little citizen. I didn't do anything.
I found this. What else am I gonna find, Carly, really?
There's nothing else. The one in the printer. There's nothing else.
What's that?
Where did I put the last one?
Carly, a squishy?
What? I couldn't put that there.
24 hours starts now. I will leave you with the camera.
Okay. So bye-bye, Mom. Guys, since my mom left, you probably noticed I had these in my butt. Not in my butt, like in my pants. So yeah, I think I want to open one. So I'm going to open an LOL. The gold! Yay! I didn't think it was a gold. Oh, it's so cute! I love it. And literally, my leg is like twitching. Happy. That's cute. Oh, it's one of those fans. Let's open that. It feels like a bag. That's so cute. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna hide it. Not anything big going on. My second roll. Five-second roll. Tell me in the comments down below if you do 5-second rolls. I do, because it's my house. Or other people's houses. But not the school cafeterias. They're so gross. They have like crackers on the floor. Apples. Chewed up oranges. Vomit. I didn't want to sit in the vomit spot. Guys, I'm so bored. Don't know what to do. You know what? I have to go get this. If something happens, I have this book called Believe in Your Dreams. It's an actual book, but I made it. Oh my gosh.
I need
What did you want me to do? But it was dark. Guys, in 72 hours, if I don't escape, he's going to delete my channel, and I have to do it quick. And that's just really weird. I need to sit and take a moment. Fine.
What's up?
The hacker called me.
No.
Yes! And he said in 72 hours, he said you did not do what I told you to do. He said in 72 hours, if you don't, he told me to go and stand and wait in an open area.
Yeah.
And then he said, you didn't do what I said. And if you don't do what I say in 72 hours, he will delete my channel. He will delete my channel in 72 hours.
I don't believe you. You can't call the computer.
No, he hacked it.
He hacked the computer.
Because he hacks.
Hello, Game Master. Game Master, are you in here? Game Master. I don't believe you.
think I'm just gonna read because I'm really bored. And I'm just gonna read for a couple hours and see you in a couple hours, I guess. Guys, since no electronics, there's a computer right here, and I think I'm gonna play some Roblox.
Carly?
Yeah?
I said no electronics.
You never said that. But there's electronic in here. I thought that meant my iPod.
No electronics, that's electric. Right, shut the power down completely.
Let me just finish my game.
No. Goodbye.
You're so rude.
I'm the meanest mom in the world.
No, you're not. You're the nicest mom in the world. Guys, I'm gonna think of something to do and then I'll check you back later. Guys, I have a wonderful idea. I'm going to be doing a fashion show. First outfit coming up. First costume. You're going to jail because I got the key, whistle, and I got the handcuffs. Guys, do you like this outfit? And tell me in the comments down below if you do. And tell me at the end which costume was your favorite. Was it the police officer? Okay, here's costume number 2. So, do you like costume number 2? So, here's this big outfit. It's for adults. Tell me in the comments down below if this one's your favorite. Here's costume number 2. It's Granny, dear. Granny's just a little clumsy. Hold on, I need to go. Wait, what is this? Let's move on to the next costume. Never mind. Do you want to play hide and seek? Okay, guys, tell me in the comments down below if this one's your favorite. Let's move on to the next one. Woo! I'm dreaming now. Guys, tell me in the comments down below if this one is your favorite. This one only has one piece to it. Really? Guys, I think I'm just gonna do some reading, so I'll see you in a little bit. Guys, so it's getting late, so I'm gonna be sleeping on the table. Look at hard. It's like concrete hard. Guys, this is not gonna go out well. Look at it. Even this way might be hang out. The computer's on so you can kind of see me. I'm gonna go to bed. This is gonna hurt. Okay, good night, guys.
It's like Sleeping Beauty. Seriously? Wakey poos. Wakey poos. Wake up.
Oh, I had this horrible dream that I was stuck in the office for 24 hours.
It's not a dream.
No!
Look at your hair. It's a mess.
Okay guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give us a thumbs up, subscribe, bye. Oh, this was the best challenge.